Morning. Morning.
Camera for this. Beach. Oh, I know you can do it.
Morning. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you. On the right, behind. So the way it's done, basically, you have to get down into the detail. Probably going to get, a sale like next week.
Didn't go on and plan anything. I was just like, oh, we'll try to generate some interesting
Just make sure to capture my things. And although that I don't want to rip off the photo.
How are you, Desi? How are you doing?
Hey there, I'm a robot. I don't have feelings, but thanks for asking. Wings.
You want to look right here?
A second. All right. Ready? 2, 1, boom. There you go.
Nice. You want to come around here?
Say hi po.
Hi.
Hi, sir. Marami iba-ibang buto yun eh. Welcome to SuperAI.
You, the people, have arrived at Super AI. Are you ready for this? Yes, you are. And welcome to the first ever Super AI. Already 5,000 of you are making this the premier event. Officer from Microsoft Asia. Ladies and gentlemen, the first ever speaker at the first ever Super AI. Make some noise for Mark Souza!
Hey, good morning everybody. And let me extend my personal welcome to Super AI conference to all of you. about a year ago. It's just a year ago, 12 months. Now let's dial it back. One more year before that, even 6 months before that. Ask yourself the same question. Yeah, I knew what AI was. Those PhD smart data scientists. You're a developer and you're using a code generator, maybe like GitHub Copilot, writing code for you automatically, documenting code for you automatically, or you're using productivity tools, having AI create a draft document for you in seconds. It usually takes you hours. In India, this is a large country, and there's remote farmers speaking 21 different languages. And now they can actually take a picture of the crops they use to feed their families and actually feed it into AI in their language and get back recommendations on a better way of harvesting their own crops. Or if I look in places like Vietnam, with Cuba, about 18 months or so ago, there it was, natural language, chatting with a search, ChatGPT, changed everything. The idea that I can actually chat, it doesn't bring back links like a search does today.
Everyone, welcome. My name is Ahmed. I'm the CEO and founder of IONet. Today, we're here to introduce you the Internet of GPUs. Double check the slides. Oh, good.
Read it to have your mind blown. But he has taken that thinking and he has taken it to a new place. The intersection between artificial intelligence and crypto. And that is what he is coming to talk to us about now. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for Balaji's Srinivas. Here it comes.
For a talk like this, AI and crypto, they're often paired in a very vague, hand-wavy kind of way. So I just wanted to establish a little bit of background and then go to 10 AI versus crypto comparisons or dyads. So just as background, I'll talk about my background just for a second. Many of you guys know available and secure at all times, and that was an assumption of a bunch of authentication systems and crypto systems, and crypto's actually solved that by giving an incentive to have those private keys available and secure at all times, which means hundreds of millions of people can now provably authenticate messages, right? And images require only a union worker can pick this up and move this from here to there, that kind of thing, right? And so because of that, that opens a door for Pirate Bay style AI, BitTorrent style AI, right? Sci-Hub and LibGen style AI. Who is going to go and just download every Hollywood movie and train on it and release that model? That's going to be crypto. Who's going to go and download every academic paper?
Movement, if you will. He is the founder of Stability AI, but he has transcended Stability AI, and he has come here today with a special announcement for you. So ladies and gentlemen, a big super AI welcome to Boundless. Here it comes.
It's wonderful to be here in Singapore. I think one of the most thoughtful few years, full Hollywood movies. And in fact, as I said with Mind Time, other things, generated with your mind. Real-time audio, real-time language, everything is happening at a furious pace. But the models that we released, Stable Diffusion and ChatGPT, are the first step, because we're evolving the way that we use these models. This is a system we call Stability, or Comfy UI, and others, the team.
Latent universe.
Welcome to Dreamer, traveler. To reach a destination, you must first imagine it. I'll ask questions, you provide answers. Let's continue our exploration.
Let's see what the latent
The latent space is vast and empty. Do you believe imagination is your greatest asset?
1. Great. Now, let's find our match in the latent space.
Transmission locked.
Microphone according to the questions they ask.
So, I should say,
So let's say like the first question.
Welcome to Dreamworld, traveler.
You can just
To
say
reach a
yes,
destination,
no, yeah.
one must first
Oh, okay.
imagine it.
Whatever you feel like saying.
I kind of live there and work a little bit, and then I'll travel here around.
hello world! Nandito ako ngayon sa SuperAI 2024 at the Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. So yan, ang daming tao. Hello world! I'm here at SuperAI here at the Marina Bay Sands, Singapore.
At last, we choose replication because this term can explain these features exactly. And here you see that designers just need to select the layers they want to copy, and they can make the duplications, and AI will replace all the content smartly for them. And here the images we create, it is not generated by AI directly, but we let AI to learn about the trial files in design teams, and then can get the best measurements, and we think that is more suitable for the demand of the design teams. And for the text part, like for this part, if I use AI replication, so here you will find that the name.
So the main AI will choose the behavior scenarios and choose.
Probably to some of the food.
Much more than money. Everything has to be right.
What's the biggest learning you have so far?
Our life.
Hey, I need you. What's
Okay.
your biggest learning?
Julie, saan pala yun? Saan pala yung...
I wanna take photo in the light.
I'm good with speed.
Wow! Parang ano lang eh, no? Parang ukada lang eh, no?
Yes, friend. Go to the future or to the past, and why?
Good question. I guess I'm getting into it. Oh, okay. I would travel to the past because because times was simpler and everything was not so complicated as it is right now.
What's your thought around expats in the Philippines? Are they taking your job?
Not really. I don't think so. It's very easy to do. If you actually do it, you will know why. So
Did
it's,
you grow up with a Filipino nanny?
Yes, but not anymore. But not anymore. Yeah.
I love it. What's your take? Are Filipinos good nanny?
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah,
More constructive
I mean, when
question, more
I was
constructive
a kid,
supportive
yes.
More
question.
constructive. Okay.
And supportive question.
Supportive
yeah?
question,
Yeah. You need
okay.
to make her famous, right? Yep.
If you have a magic wand, right?
Yeah, like if you, it applies to everything in life, right? If you
How
like,
do you make money as a live streamer?
you get subscriptions.
Wow!
They subscribe to you, yeah.
What's the best thing you've done while live streaming?
Best thing I've done while live streaming. Physical activity. I wrote, do you know Nami Island in Korea? There's a zip line and a boat. I zip line while streaming. Wow!
I tell you I'm almost down. Will you bring me back to life? I just wanna live in this world forever. 'Cause I'm afraid the living couldn't get any better. I started getting up.
So, what did you learn today? You learned something new today?
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang Mari, maligayang Mari, maligayang, maligayang, maligayang Mari. Happy birthday, Julie. Happy birthday.
I forgot my age already. Don't ask me 2 years old. Yeah, 18. So,
Hey, we believe in you.
2026, right? 2026 June 7. Oh my God, 2024 now. So, 2027 June 6, exactly on this table, achieving all our commitments.
Yeah.
Exactly. We believe in you. We
believe in each other.
Yeah, you're our president.
Authority.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Julie. Happy birthday to you.
Where were you? Let's take a photo with Alex. Good job.
Hey.
It's my birthday today.
Happy birthday.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Hey. So we continue here. The video is not
So my commitment is to become level 67 at Microsoft from 62.
62 to 67. We cheer on you.
3 years.
Parang ano po yata, yung tanungin ko kay sir kasi anak niya nandyan.
Okay, so it's day 2 of Super AI here at the Marina Bay Sands, Singapore. Hello, good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning.
On stage, each and every of you is dealing with compliance to a certain extent. Each and every company is dealing with this topic. And for us as PwC, we exist for 175 years. And we dealt with compliance all the way. We know each topic, and we think it's a topic you have to deal with to be compliant in your organization, to do your business, because this is your core. Your business is your core, not the compliance is your core. And we can help you to manage this, and this is the basic idea to really focus on something which is not valuable for you, but important for you to be compliant in your world. Be it in Asia, be it in Europe, or wherever else in the world. It's
difficult to find talent, experienced people, lawyers, compliance professionals, and it's critical. If you screw it up, the leadership is responsible for compliance, so we care about the outcome, but no company has the compliance as a core value driver, like you said, right? So it's just something they need to get done with, and of course, a lot of professional services companies are earning good money with that, but this also doesn't really scale well. So one of the things that we're kind of working on is basically helping people to do work that could not be done any other way, like screening of tens of thousands of contracts, something like that, right? And I think this is, when you think about what is valuable, what's the most valuable part of knowledge work that is, on the other hand, also so structured that you can scale it out, right? Because you don't want to implement every single question from every single enterprise anew. So I think compliance is a perfect match.
And obviously you have a lot of efficiency gains by doing it, right? One is obviously you lack the human resources to actually do the job. And at the same time you can do it in a much faster way, with your solution.
Well, and quality, right?
Quality.
What we do is you have a human-machine collaboration. There's a conversation between the AI system. The AI system is trained with the global expertise of PwC experts, and it's leveraging our technology under the hood, the intelligence layer that's combining workflows. And we just saw 2 contracts with that highlighted pieces. These are, in this example, are discrepancies or conflicts between 2 contracts. There's one regulation, and it says you have to have access to your facilities if you have a service provider contract 24/7. And then there's 2 contracts. One says there's a 24/7 access, and the other kind of limits that to certain weekdays. And so the AI here is based on PwC experience, recognized this as a potential conflict. And it's not just flagging this and classifying this as incompliant, but it's basically now prompting the human. This is the example with our explainability. This is something we invented and published. And it's now prompting the human and telling the human, hey, I found something. It doesn't quite add up. Can you help me? Is one contract outdated? Is one overriding the other? What's going on here? And then the human can go in and say, okay, I've reviewed what the AI helped me with, and I can now make a judgment call and tell both contracts seem to be valid. This really is an actual problem. So we now have a human judgment call. We have human in the loop, or like a human on the steering wheel. And we also have every single interaction fully transparent and reproducible and auditable. So I think this is really something unique, and it's these kind of problems that are so complex, and responsibility of humans is so critical that you can never just do them with chatbots.
And I would just add on it, because the complexity we are seeing in this world is just dramatically increasing. Yeah? Governments, politicians, There are increasing regulations. You all have to deal with this, and we think this is a smart way to deal with it. To find a way to just have these human judgment calls on it, to decide on whether you're going left or right. So this is the basic idea, and I think we can leverage under this umbrella because many topics could be solved in this way. It will change our way of working.
And just think about how much money would you be willing to pay if you wouldn't have to give 13,000 contracts to lawyers.
It's a massive number, it sounds like, right?
It's a huge number, and this is just one regulation in Europe for one bank.
Well, it's obviously not just obviously relevant for Europe, right? So
yeah.
Björn, I think you are basically rolling out this this solution or this joint.
We build a model. We build a handcraft model that we optimize for that reflects our value. But we don't know if it's good or bad. So that's like a value problem. I guess a little bit philosophical.
Can I jump on that point though? As much as it feels philosophical, it's not a step you can skip in terms of setting the objectives correctly.
There's one popular, the vector model. So you mine a bunch of combination of variables and then you aggregate them with like a linear model to make a decision. So, but then the linear model eventually maybe they generate it with some regression, but then the important is factor because that's what encode a lot of unstructured data, like higher dimensional data. And then what we do to generate the factors, for example, we help you understand what's the prevailing narrative, what's the score of its prevalence on social networks. But then we don't generate trading decisions for you because that's like really hard. That's like a really hard problem. And then the thing is, we can, but then that requires, like I said, this one extra dimension of value. What do you try to get out of your trade? Are you trying to what's your risk tolerance and all that? That's like kind of gets a little bit philosophical, and I don't think
it's interesting to think about
40,000 physical shards, and every single request is served under 10 milliseconds, and that's the promise of this. Developer experience on AI also needs a special mention. Effortless. You're able to store your vector and your actual database together at one place. You're able to do your vector search and filtered search, which means you can bring in your SQL predicates, do your regular SQL searches, including data and numbers, text operations, even spatial operators, etc. And you can combine that in a simulated sort of a hybrid search fashion. Indexing, you have options to do indexing. You want to have brute force indexing, you have limited data, you can do that. One Azure Cosmos DB. In less than $2, you can go and stand up a Cosmos DB serverless account, and on that serverless account you could use demos, you could do low traffic workloads, you could do just multi-tenanted app, and at any time you can convert that to a provisioned throughput as well if you want to scale. Right? So here you bring data and your vector in one place, so you don't need to go elsewhere as well.
Mock-up, it's called localhost, looks perfect. You want to give it to your engineers, and they say, give me a few months, and that never happens. So Locofy is built as a plugin within Figma. All you have to do is select a design, and within 20 seconds we give you pixel-perfect, developer-friendly, production-ready oftentimes code. You see the code at the bottom, and this on top is not the design, it is actually the React has rendered on the code that we generated on the file. It's pixel perfect, it's exactly as the designer wanted it, so the designer can make sure that the end product is exactly what they had in mind and what they designed without the engineer writing any code. And it respects everything an engineer would do, right? It builds interactive elements, it finds components, so it's not like repeating code, it's modular in nature, it's responsive. It names the layers properly as well, and gives you the foundation to save you months of time. And like any AI, it's not going to be perfect, but rather than spending months, you spend a day or two fixing or fine-tuning your code. And the more you do it, the better the AI becomes as well. The goal for us was very simple, to bring the joy back into developing products, and in the last code and a pixel-perfect prototype that you can verify immediately works exactly the way you want. So we believe that large language models are obviously trained on billions and trillions of textbooks, research papers, posts, and LinkedIn, and all kinds of YouTube and audio content. But the metadata associated, that tells us a lot more than just the image of the text itself. So we convert it into a large file, which we call as embeddings, and that becomes a bedrock of doing these 5 or 6 steps that we believe are needed to get to pixel perfect code. First step is design optimizer. The design of the build looks perfect, but oftentimes the designs are not structured properly. There are unnecessary frames, unnecessary groups. The groups are done wrong, and garbage in, garbage out means that your design, while to the human eye it looks well, but when converted into code, it was just not translating.
That every single Homo sapien should be able to partake in becoming a provider of AI. Otherwise, if you look at a lot of AI companies out there, that they use you and your children as to be the product, or you use it to be like the, basically the customer.
Jen, founding partner of In Capital. A round of applause for Jen. Great to see you today. Lovely shirt. Lovely shirt. Looking fantastic. We have Ian, head of startup BD at AWS. And we have Mitchell, global managing partner of 500 Global. A round of applause. All right, ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready? Let's hear it. Come on. Come on. Come on. I want to hear it. All right, here we go.
Hello daw. Hello mga boss. Hello mga bossing. Try right now.
Sorry?
Can I try?
Yes, you can try now.
Okay, sure.
3 chance, yeah.
I
So
hope.
this one is actually like very stuck inside. So it's actually difficult to get it, but you got it. So skill. Yeah. Because a lot of people will say that the machine is rigged, but actually it's not. We have make it to rig to your advantage. The cloud strength is actually the maximum.
Have you got coffee? With day 2 you want to say hi. Have you got any interesting
So we made it the
insights
easiest for you guys to
for
get
all the
started.
professionals here? If not, join us at your staff booth to understand how we have started life to
You
increase
can say I have the skill.
increase your revenue, increase your experiences, even your profitability. Please join us. We are going to have an interesting demos and talk. Grab a popcorn from our booth and stay around. See you in a while.
Wala. Yeah. I wanted the anime version.
I'm just having fun.
I wanted to try the VR. Oh, so it also needs a lithium-ion battery. Okay, that makes sense.
My heartbeat.
Sorry, Matthew. Okay, next. There's something at your feet. There's a foreign object which can damage aircraft. Bend down. Use your knees. Bend down. Pick it up. Yeah, pick up. Now see if there's a tick or the red banner. Tick. Very good. Next one. Read. Next step. Yeah, poke. Yeah, tick. Read it. You can read it.
Turn around to
Proceed with next step. Okay, it'll tell you what is next step. Next step. Okay. Yeah, you don't need to touch, you just see and then press the tick. I see.
What was your helmet? No, you cannot do.
Okay, keep going.
You cannot do. What did you get for? You get 6 or 7? What did you get? Score. What did you get?
Okay, next step. Next step.
No, this one VP is not good.
Okay. So look for yellow colored thing, yellow blinking above the wheel, nose wheel, wheel of the aircraft, nose wheel. See yellow blinking? You see the yellow blinking above the nose wheel? Go there, yeah. Turn it. Okay. Go up. And then under the nose there is open flap, yeah. Extend your hand inside, yeah, place it there. Yeah, very good.
Excuse me, can I have a champagne? Champagne, thank you.
The guy that won the
You're also from are you in Singapore or Indonesia?
I'm in Indonesia. I'm in Malaysia. Actually.
Malaysia. Oh, I see. Well, the dancing lights there, we've been here last night. One video, okay?
Super AI.
Super 1, 2, 3. Super AI. Woo!
Yeah, I forgot where the section of this place where crazy rich Asians are going here.
Our international meeting here at SuperAI.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cheers on the robots. Enjoy the last years of humans.
Yeah.
Cheers. Good luck to everyone.
Yeah, good luck to everyone.
Yay.
Yes. Yeah, let's start.
Very simple. Ja, Gönnung halt, vom Weizen. Mir taugt's.
I am the only one who understands German and Chinese. That's why I'm saying it.
Darth Vader.
Come on. Okay. What do we say? To the moon?
To the moon.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. To the moon! Woo!
Mir taugt's.
I am the only one who understands German and Chinese here.
Okay. Super AI.
Super 1, 2, 3. Super AI. Woo!
It's always the same with him. He then suddenly goes to have on the phone or have a call or so no worries.
여러분 여기 메뉴가 엄청 많아요. 저희 지금 6명이서 밥 먹으러 왔는데 옵션이 엄청나게 많습니다.
I'm perfect. I go
So
with
afraid
this
our
one.
friends is lost.
So cheers.